Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I was thinking about something and I want to try an experiment with some cupcakes. So I thought I would bring you along with me and let's see what happens. Succeed or fail, let's see what we're going to do. I've got my yellow cake recipe that I've mixed up here. I'll put a picture of that recipe. It's like on a recipe type card. I'll put it on the at the end of the video, and you can do a screenshot of that so you can have the recipe for this. And also I'll put a link to the original yellow cake video as well. So there was no need to show you how to make that again. You can go there and find it. All right, I've got a dozen cupcake liners here. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees. Now, to this yellow cake, I not only added vanilla, I added some lemon extract as well, because these are going to be lemon cupcakes. Okay? All right. So I'm going to fill, I've got my bowl with this pour spout. I'm going to fill these up, not as much as I usually do, because I am going to attempt to fill these with cream cheese. You know how when you have a cheesecake and there's that, lemon, that nice lemon flavor to the cheesecake, and it's pretty awesome. So I'm wondered if I could just bring that flavor to the cupcakes as well by making the yellow cake into lemon cupcakes and put cream cheese in the center before they're baked. I don't know if it's going to work or not. We will see. Okay, I've got all of them filled. Now, normally this will do anywhere from a dozen to 14 or so cupcakes for this recipe. But I didn't fill them quite as much because I'm going to put some cream cheese in the center. Now then, so what I've got a block of cream cheese. Actually, it's kind of partial because I used some of it the other day. But I've got a block of cream cheese. So the premise is I'm going to take a square. How many do I have here? I've got four. I've got 16 pieces of cream cheese. So I'm going to drop a piece of cream cheese into each cupcake. Hopefully it won't run over. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Which I don't know. It makes me think, well, I don't know. It might be too much. Hang on a second. I'm going to get a knife. Okay. I'm thinking I will cut each square in half because I'm thinking it might be a bit much for the cupcakes. I don't want them to run over. I'd really rather have too little than too much. Let's poke that down in there. I've seen different ways to do cream cheese filling. They put sugar in it and eggs and all that other stuff. But I'm thinking, I don't know, do I really need to do that? Well, I don't know. Why can't I just do this? I mean, these are going to be frosted, and here, this is a small one, it can go in. My plan is to do some cream cheese frosting. And I know you're going to criticize me maybe, but I'm using canned cream cheese frosting. It's from Aldi. It's actually pretty good. All right, now I'm thinking maybe, hang on. If this doesn't look, excuse me, if this doesn't look very well organized, it's because it's not. I was thinking about it. Actually, I was laying in bed this morning thinking about it, and I thought, maybe. Now, I do fully expect these cupcakes, because of the cream cheese in the center, I do expect them to sink. If they don't, I would be surprised. That doesn't mean they're not going to be good. It just means that they're going to sink. It's a possibility. Probability, really. Okay. I hope these turn out good. I think they're going to taste good regardless of how pretty they look. They're probably not going to look that pretty. Look at me dripping stuff everywhere. Oh my word. Okay. I probably actually have enough batter and plenty of cream cheese for a couple of more muffins. Or muffins. Cupcakes. Silly granny. Okay. Let's see. Clean that up a little bit. Not that it matters. Probably doesn't matter. But, you know. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now, my oven signaled me that it is preheated, so I'm going to pop these in for doodly-do. 15 minutes. I'm going to put it on 15 minutes. And then we'll see where we're at then. Okay? Okay. Here we go. Okay, they're done. I put a toothpick in to see. Now, I didn't really put the toothpick in the center. I kind of put it in the side. But they're done. Now, they haven't sunk, but as they cool down, they might. Now then, after I got them in the oven, I realized that I was supposed to add a half a cup of melted butter to the cake mix, and I forgot. So, there's that. But, do as I say, not as I do. But the recipe does show half a cup of melted butter goes in to the batter. So, I don't know how these will be. I'm sure they'll taste fine. How well they're going to come out of the cupcake wrappers, the paper cups, I have no idea. We'll see. But in the meantime, I'm going to take these from the pan. I'm going to let them cool on the rack, and then we'll come back. I said I was doing this on the fly, so come on, give me a break. Okay, I've got them on the rack to cool. Now, these cupcakes do look rather pale. They don't have that sort of a golden look on them. I think one of the reasons is because, first of all, it's that kind of cake anyway. But secondly, because I failed to put the melted butter in the batter, I think that's probably why they didn't get quite as golden as we would expect. But nevertheless, they are done. They don't seem to be sinking, so I don't know. I don't know how this is going to get a little indentation there, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to let them set for, well, until they're cooled off, because, and then we'll just go on to the next step. Okay, the cupcakes are completely cooled off, and they didn't really sink that much. Now then, this is something I realized. According to the recipe, I needed to put in 1/2 cup of melted butter, and I did not. I forgot when I made that batter. I didn't put it in. So, it's probably going to affect the cupcakes. And I think maybe the cream cheese in the center is enough fat, but I'm thinking what's going to happen is when I peel off the cupcake liners, that might be an issue because it's not fat. And that may be another reason why they didn't brown or get as golden as they should have because of the fact that there's no butter in it. I don't know. All right. I'm going to frost one of these cupcakes. I've got some Aldi jarred canned cream cheese frosting. Yes, it's only the finest of artificial flavors in it. I know people protest about this, but you know, it's not like you're eating it every day of the week and, you know, you're slathering on everything. Yeah, the ingredients are less than perfect, but okay. Anyway, this is some cream cheese flavored frosting. It's rich and creamy. I'm going to put a frosted cupcake, and then we're going to put it on a plate. I'm going to cut into it, and hopefully I'll be able to peel the paper off. We'll see. We'll see. But do as I say, not as I do, and don't forget to put the butter in the recipe if you use it. Okay, here's the cupcake. It's all nicely frosted. These others are going to go in the freezer. I'm going to put them in a container and they'll freeze individually, and then I will, once they're frozen solid, I'm going to put them in a freezer bag and save them for later on, probably over the holidays. So let's see. Let's see if I will be able to take this paper off of here. That's going to be the question because I didn't put in the butter. I want to take the paper off, and then I want to see if I'm going to cut into it. See what we got. The fact that I inadvertently left the butter out is going to affect the tenderness quality of these, I think. I don't know. I'm just guessing. It's an experiment. You know, you don't know if you don't try, right? Definitely more sticky. So let's see. Yeah, see what we got there. That's a problem. Yeah, it's a problem. It would have been better if I would have put the butter in, but I didn't. You see how that's stuck there? It's a problem. Yep, that's a problemo. But, oh well, it is what it is. Let's cut into it and see what we got. I don't know. Maybe the cream cheese just disappeared. Oh, look. Look at that. It's there. I'm going to take a bite of it. I'm going to taste it, see what we got. Well, I have to say, it tastes really good. It has got good taste. You can taste the cream cheese. It's kind of nice. The cake is lacking in quality because I left the butter out. I know that's the reason. Well, I'm going to take another bite here. It does taste slightly lemony. I didn't put a whole lot of lemon extract, but I put vanilla in there as well. Well, I like the cream cheese in there. I'm not going to give up on this. I'm not going to give up on it. I'm going to work with this a little bit more and try to perfect this. Like put more lemon in it. Now, the cream cheese was not room temperature when I put it in there. It was still cold. Now, I'm guessing if I would have cut into this while they were warm, the cream cheese would be softer. But well, you know what they say. If ifs and buts were candy and nuts, we'd all have a Merry Christmas. That's an issue because I didn't put the butter in. That's a problem. But I'm not unhappy. I really am not. I'm going to keep working with this and see how to do it better. Now, just so you know, I had enough batter left that I made 2 more cupcakes, but I didn't put cream cheese in these. So it's going to be the same issue when I try to peel the paper off. Cream cheese doesn't have anything to do with that. It's the butter. It's a lack of fat butter in there. So, but those will go in the freezer as well. All right, that's it for me today. Try this if you would like to. I don't know. Maybe you've made something similar and you know a better way to do it. If you do, put it in the comments because I would like to know. And share it with us because that would be really good. But in the meantime, I did get the 14 cupcakes. I'm not totally unhappy with it. This is a bit wasteful for me. Not that much, but hey. Maybe, this is what I'm thinking. After they're frozen, maybe they would peel. Maybe the paper would peel off better. I don't know. But I think the premise is good. It's just I need to tweak this and see what I can come up with. So, but it tastes delicious. I wish that it were more lemon flavored, which that's easy to remedy. So, all right, that's it for me today. I love you guys. You know I do. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right, listen. I hope you have a great day. I will talk to you later. You guys be good. And be sure and comment and let me know what you think. And like and subscribe if you want to. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.